How to turn off or disable Windows Defender in Windows 11. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and in the search bar search for virus and threat protection. Go ahead and open it up. From here, simply tap on Manage Settings. Inside here, you simply want to go ahead and toggle off real-time protection and cloud deliver protection. So once you turn it off, you'll then be able to disable Windows Defender and Windows 11. Now the next step would be to simply in the search bar, go ahead and search for Run. Once you search for it, go ahead and type in Regedit and then tap OK. And from here, you want to go ahead and expand high key local machines, then expand software right over here. Inside software, you want to go ahead and expand policies, and inside policies, you want to go ahead and expand Microsoft. And from here, you want to go ahead and right click onto Windows Defender, tap on New, then tap on DWORD value. Then you simply want to go ahead and type in Disable Anti-Spyware. Type in the way that I have done. And once you're done, right click onto it, tap on Modify. Then you want to go ahead and type in the value data and set it to 1. Once done, tap OK. Now once it is done, simply go ahead and restart your PC, and just like so, you'll then be able to turn off Windows Defender permanently on Windows 11. That's how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.